Hey there, let's design a gorgeous baby shower website together. I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize everything in Canva. Grab your coffee and let's do this.
Let's start by getting familiar with what you've got. Before you change anything, take a few minutes to click through the whole site, from the invitation cover all the way to the RSVP form, so you get a feel for how everything flows together. Quick tip: before you jump into editing, take a few minutes to get your details together in a separate document. Your welcome message, date, time, location, registry info, all of it. That way, once you're in Canva, you're just copying and pasting instead of typing everything out from scratch. Small step, but it'll save you a lot of time down the line. Now it's time to dive into the editing. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the music as I walk you through each step. Just follow along with me, and by the end, your website will be ready to use. One thing you'll notice: some elements are locked to help keep the layout clean. If you need to edit one of them, just click the unlock icon first, then ungroup the item, make your changes, group everything back together, and lock it again before moving on. As we go through the template, you'll see me repeat this process a few times. Whenever an element needs editing, I'll unlock it first, then ungroup it, make the changes, group everything back together, and lock it again. This keeps the design neat and makes sure everything stays right where it should as we keep customizing the site. Now let's update the map button so it points to the correct location. Select the button, open the link settings, and remove the placeholder link. Then head over to Google Maps, search for your exact venue, and double-check that it's the right spot. Once you've confirmed it, use the Share option to copy the link, come back to Canva, and paste it into the map button. That's it. Your map is ready to guide your guests straight to the venue. Now let's move on to the music section. I'll update the details here and make sure everything fits nicely with the rest of the site. Open Inventarium and head to the Assets section. Click Add New, then upload your audio file and give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, copy the generated link, head back to your online invitation, and paste it into the audio field. And you're all set. Now we're going to create the countdown timer inside Inventarium. Go to your dashboard, click Add New, and choose Countdown from the menu. This opens the Countdown Editor, where you can set the event date and customize the style of your timer. Start by choosing the date of the event. Just make sure the month, day, and year are all correct, since this is the date the countdown will run off of. Next, choose which time units you want to display. For most invitations, days, hours, minutes, and seconds work best since they make the countdown feel more active and easier to follow. After that, pick a font that matches your design. A clean font works well for a modern invitation, while something more elegant suits weddings or formal events. Now you can adjust the colors. Start with the main number color, then set the color for the last time unit. This helps tie the countdown into the rest of your invitation and gives it a more polished look. As you go, use the preview at the bottom to check how everything looks and make sure the countdown is easy to read, nicely aligned, and fits the overall style of your design. Once you're happy with it, copy the generated countdown link. That's what we'll use to connect the countdown to your invitation or event page. Now let's move on to the registry section. And this part works pretty much the same way as the map button. Select the registry button, open the link settings, remove the placeholder link, and paste in your correct registry link. Once that's in place, just double check everything's working properly before moving on. Now let's move on to the Books for Baby section. Same idea as before. I'll swap in the new wording and adjust it as needed so everything fits nicely within the design. Now let's move on to the diaper raffle section. And this one's nice and simple. Just select the existing text, swap in your new wording, and adjust it as needed so everything fits nicely within the section. Now let's take care of the RSVP section. We're using Google Forms to handle this, so you don't have to worry about any guest limits. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set that up right now. But before we dive in, make sure you have your PDF download open. That is where you'll find the links to edit your RSVP form, as well as the links for your top header and bottom images. All right, let's jump into the setup.
By the way, if you want to see more designs like this, head over to my Etsy shop. I create beautiful wedding and baby shower website templates to make your event planning super easy.
And there you have it. Your Google RSVP is fully set up and ready to collect those unlimited guest responses. Now that we have our form complete, let's copy the link and head back over to our main website design to link everything together and finish up. Before publishing, take a moment to review the entire website carefully. Go through each section and make sure all the baby shower details, registry information, buttons, links, and RSVP section are correct. Check the text, spacing, fonts, and overall design to make sure everything looks clean, easy to read, and ready to share. Also, double-check that nothing's moved out of place and that all your clickable elements are working properly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. Canva will then give you a website link that you can copy and share with your guests. And that is it! Your beautiful baby shower website is completely set up and ready to share with your family and friends. I am so thrilled I could help you check this off your list before the little one arrives. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more templates and tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description for a link to our shop, Place and Pride Company, for even more matching digital designs. Have a wonderful baby shower, and I'll see you in the next video.